Tired of losing your Apple TV remote in the couch cushions? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to ditch that physical remote and use your smartphone as an Apple TV remote instead. First, let's grab our iPhone or Android device and head to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for the Apple TV remote. This one is directly from Apple and works seamlessly if you're on Android. Search for Apple TV remote or a compatible third-party remote. There are plenty of great options available. But for this tutorial, we will use the Apple TV remote app for iOS. Once you found it, tap Install and let the app download now. Open the app. Make sure your Apple TV is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. As your phone, the app should automatically detect your Apple TV tap on your Apple TV's name when it appears. Your Apple TV will display a 4-digit code back on your phone. Enter that code into the app when prompted and tap Submit. And that's it. You now have a fully functional remote right on your phone. You can swipe to navigate menus, tap to select, and use the keyboard icon to enter text for searches or passwords. No more lost remotes. You can control the volume, play, pause, rewind, and fast forward, just like with a physical remote. Pretty neat, right? So now you can use your phone as an Apple TV remote anytime.